There are so many doubts about karma. How to remember the karma in easy form? So it is the very easy one, tricks on karma. So dosha karma I will give first, and then particular karma I will going to give in the next video. So according to rasa, remember the rasas as it is: Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya. Series wise you have to write, and then for first three write as Madhura, Amla, Lavana. These are Vata Shamana rasas. And then for another next Katu, Tikta, Kashaya are Kapha Shamana rasas. So for Pitta we have a trick called Matka. Remember Matka, Madhura, Tikta, Kashaya. This is the for Pitta Shamana rasa. So we have a list of Tridoshahara drugs. There are more than 20 Tridoshahara drugs in our syllabus. I will going to talk about the each and every rasa karma. It is definitely going to be easy, and it is if you remember this, you can going to apply in the each and every drugs. For example, Madhura rasa. It is the common karmas of each and every rasa. Madhura rasa, what is happened? What it is going to be act? It is medhya karma, tarpana karma, anulomana karma, trishna nigrahana, sandhaniya, हृद्य, कंठ्य, मूत्रल, पृष्य, स्तन्यजनन, त्वच, केश्य, वर्ण्य, बल्य, rasayana. If you remember these karmas, if you get an madhura rasa, you are able to write about the some karmas according to rasa. For amla rasa, you are write pachana, rochana, deepana, anulomana, and then shukragna. These are the karmas you can write in the amla rasa. For lavana, it is kledana, deepana, pachana, rochana, and then rakta shodhana. In lavana, you can write these. For katu is mukha shodhakara, deepana, mutrala, kandugna. These are the karmas for katu. For tikta is rochana, krimigna, trishna, nigrahana, deepana, pachana, rakta prasadana, kafagna, kasahara, jwarahara. These are the karmas of tikta rasa. For kashaya is having mainly rasayana karma, stambhana, rasayana, balya, pidana, lekhana. These are the main karmas of rasas. If you remember this, it will definitely going to be helpful in your exam.